Okay. Now, next one is angular controller. Let's look at that one. Here whoops, I just closed it. Run that again. Chapter 9, APIs. Let me show you an angular controller. Angular controller. So here we have ng controller basket control. And then from basket control, we're going to get the description, cost, and we're going to do some math in here. Quantity times cost, and format it as currency. And this is probably something different. Here we go, ng model quantity. So let's take a look at, where is the controller? Oh, here we go. Angular controller JS. So scope, description, single ticket, cost 8, quantity 1. So we get the basket controller, we pass in scope, and we're going to give scope all these properties. I'm going to give it a 10% fee. And here we go. Angular controller, HTML. Item, single ticket. Cost is $8, quantity is 1. You can add more quantity. It changes the subtotal accordingly. And if we look at the Angular controller, I'm just going to add another row here. I'm going to call it fee. And I don't need an input. Actually, I put this in the wrong place. Probably it should be in the table data. Wait a minute, I think I deleted too much. Oh yeah, okay. I'm just getting rid of this input. Type fee. Hit save. And update the page. Oh, there's my fee, 10%. But it's just displaying on the page. We're not taking it into any account. So let's go back to our controller. I left this as text. We'll just do scope fee now. And then we're going to change the page. Quantity times the cost. We'll put that in parentheses. And multiply that by 1 plus fee, no. There we go. Now you may be wondering, why is it 1 plus the fee num? Well, let's take a look at the fee. Fee is 0.1, means 10%. So when you are if you want just the, what is the fee? 8 times 0.0. That's what this represents, equals 80 cents, right? And there we go. We see it updating with the percentage, the fee percentage. So as I do this, you can see it's adding it in there. Couple tens, an extra $8. So why did I do 1 plus the fee num? Well, let's take a look at the fee num. The fee num is 0.1. That's the same as saying 0.1. And if you do that multiplied by 8, the cost, what will you get? You'll get 0.8. So since currency, we'll think it's 80 cents, right? So when you do, and of course, 1 times 8 equals 8. So 1.1 times 8 will give us 8.8. That's why you do 1 plus to get the total right away. Otherwise, if you calculated these separately, you do 0.1 times this cost, and you'll get the answer here. Then you would go 0.8 plus the cost 8 to get 8.8. So that's 2 steps, and so it's better just to do it in 1 step. And let me get rid of all these. And so that's working with an Angular controller. Let's take a look. Angular external data JS and items JSON. There is this JSON data, sessions, and each session's going to have a value. So it looks like there's a couple sessions there.